Hello friends, today I'm going to demonstrate a new utility that I have developed for CRM using bookmarklets concept. Bookmarklets are basically nothing but shortcuts or favorites in your browser which run JavaScript in turn. So let's see how it goes out. So first thing that you'll need to do is download the bookmarklet from the blog link. Once you download it, you'll have a docx file. I already kept one for reference here in uh, my folder here. So once you have that, you need to go to command prompt and just rename this docx file to HTML file. I'm keeping the commands ready a bit so that it's easier for me to demonstrate here. So here we go. Once we have I'm just going to copy my location here. Once we have just done this, what we need to do, we'll need to go, I have a CRM, basically I have a CRM 2015 organization setup here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to bookmarks and I'm going to go to bookmark manager. Once you reach bookmark manager, you will have organize. What you need to do is you need to say organize import bookmarks from the location, and I just navigate to here, and that's it. That's all that you need to do from setting point of view. So once you do that, you'll have this kind of a menu available on your bookmark bar. Now if you want to refer how to enable this bookmark bar here, you can search it on Google and you'll get it. I'll also put a link up in my blog real soon. So what does my utility does? So I'll just go to one of the entity which is enabled for business process in my lead entity under marketing in my organization. So once I go there, I have a section called business process related. So there's often the case when I need at least to get the current stage ID or the current process ID, or need to get like for JavaScripting purposes or whatever reason. So if I say get current stage ID, what I'm going to get is here, copy this current stage ID. You are easily able to copy it from here. So it's really easy for you to get all the stage IDs if you navigate and just keep clicking on this. Similarly, if you say I want to get the current process ID, you're working with multiple business processes. If you do that, it will give you, okay, here, copy this current process ID. So it's pretty useful for as far as I know. Now one of the things I can again ask is I want to get the entity ID. This is how you can get entity ID. Other things that it can do is get the entity type code. So this is 4, this is out of box entity. Lead entity has a type code 4, we know that. The another thing that it will do is get entity logical name, lead. So that's also, if you need it real quick, it can help you a lot there. Now one of the things was, this used to be there, customize entity I want to do. So customize entity, but in CRM 2013 and 2015 it's only left to be form editor here. So if I just want to say no, I need to go to the customize entity link. So once I click that, what it's going to do is it's going to open the default solution and open up your lead entity there. So it becomes a lot easier for you to actually go and navigate to this thing. Other things is refresh page quicker. Now what does this do? This calls the synchronous refresh so that your entire page doesn't. If you click disable autosave, temporarily your autosave will be disabled for the time being. Now this is one of the things which I like. So say your fields are empty here. So one of the business required fields is empty and I'm doing some testing. I want to populate this required CRM field with the minimum values. Once I do that, you see that text field gets populated here. It will also take care of other fields like integer, and it handles everything. Populate required CRM field with maximum values. You click that and it will start populating them with the maximum possible value. So in the string case, it's just string. So this is some of the things that I find really useful and hope it is useful to you. But hey, I'm not done yet. So I went a step ahead and added something more like the navigation links. I know there are variety of tools available on Codeplex and community to achieve the same, but I just wanted to have even simpler interface for some of the links which I, as a consultant, technically need to go to, or as a functionally I need to go to some areas specifically. One of them being the solutions area. So if I click navigate to solutions page, that pop-up came because I had some changes there. It will directly take me to the solutions area. If I say navigate to administration page, it will take me to administration area. Now, if I say navigate to audit page, it will take me to the audit. And sometimes I just directly want to go to audit summary, so it will take me there as well. I have a lot of auditing enabled and I keep doing stuff on this one, so you will see a lot of logs there. Now if I want to say, oh, I want to edit some processes, it will navigate me to processes directly. If I say I want to add some user, edit some user and do some stuff around navigate to user, this one will work only in 2013, this will not work in 2015. If I say navigate to security, this will apply to only 2015. I will directly navigate to 2015. So I hope you like this utility. I have taken references from one of our fellow bloggers from Magnetism. I started using his bookmarklets and then I developed some of my own, clubbed them and developed a utility. So hope you like it. If you extend it, let me know. You can contact me on my mail ID, deepeshsomani@hotmail.com. It's also available in the blog link. If you have any issues working on it, just drop me a mail, contact me on LinkedIn. My links are available on this blog. Let me know how you get on with this, and hopefully it will be very useful to you. Thank you.